Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'll be making a hot toddy recipe that works wonders for me and I hope it to work for you. So let's go. So first we want to start off with a nice size mug. You can use a smaller one or a big one. I'm going to use a little bit bigger one. And I'm going to get me a nice fresh lemon and I'm going to cut it in half. And this lemon is great for fighting the cold because it's packed with vitamin C. And I feel like because there's so much like acid in it, it's just like cut through thick mucus and infection. It probably don't even work like that, but that's what I feel like it be doing. Right, and then you just see me taking the seeds out. You don't have to, but I do. Alright, now we're gonna take that and pour some very hot water in it. Then I'm gonna put it into my microwave for 1 minute because I want that water to be very hot. And be very careful because it's really hot, okay? I don't want you to hurt yourself. So now we're going to start assembling our hot toddy. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tea packet in there. And I like to use this bedtime tea. I get it from Walmart. But if I can't find it, then I'll use like lavender or chamomile. I'm just going to steep 1 packet into there. Alright, now I'm going to add in 1 cinnamon stick. You can use 2 if you like, but 1 is pretty strong enough. And this cinnamon is going to help, you know, just kind of clear up your sinuses and soothe it. And so it works really well. And then I'm going to add in some honey. And this honey is, guys, this honey really works the magic. It's going to help soothe your throat. Sometimes if my throat is bothering me too much, I will just drink a teaspoon of honey and it works like a charm. And then here I have some brown liquor because my grandma, she used to put a little brown liquor in hers, like either rum or whiskey or something like that, but I don't do that because number 1 is nasty and number 2 it worked just fine without it. So but if you want to, you can. It just kind of help you, you know, go to sleep. But I take NyQuil, so I don't need that. So you just want to steep this for about 7 minutes before you drink it. And I like to whisk mine with a fork to make sure that honey and tea is all mixed in well. And guys, this works so well for me. Normally when I get sick, I be sick for a week, 2 weeks. But with this, I just drink this right before I go to bed, take some NyQuil. And when I wake up, I'm coughing up all of that infection. So it just really getting that infection out of you. And here, I am all done. I'm just going to go ahead and remove my tea packet. But I do like to keep in my cinnamon stick, but you can take it out if you like. And that is all. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And you can try this if you get sick this season. If you want to help fight the cold and flu, then go ahead and give this a try. It's kid friendly, adult friendly. It's an old trick. It's nothing new. So if you like this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. I thank you so much. Bye bye.